Halal Investing Guide, your complete journey to Sharia-compliant wealth building. Introduction. Welcome to your journey into halal investing. If you're reading this, you likely want to grow your wealth while staying true to your Islamic principles. This is absolutely possible, and more people than ever before are discovering that ethical investing and financial success are not just compatible, but often go hand in hand. Many Muslims feel torn between two worlds. On one hand, they want to secure their financial future and build lasting wealth. On the other hand, they want to ensure their money is not supporting activities that contradict their values and beliefs. The good news is that halal investing offers a path that lets you do both. In this guide, we will explore everything you need to know about halal investing. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone with some investing experience, you will find practical guidance to help you make confident, informed decisions about your money. We'll break down complex Islamic finance concepts into simple, easy-to-understand language. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of what halal investing is, why it matters, and exactly how to get started. Understanding Islamic finance principles. At the heart of halal investing are a few core principles that have guided Islamic finance for over 1,000 years. These principles are not just religious rules, they are also practical guidelines that promote fairness, transparency, and responsibility in business and finance. Let us look at the most important ones. The prohibition of riba, which means interest. Maisir literally means gambling or games of chance. In the context of investing, maisir refers to excessive speculation or speculation that resembles gambling more than legitimate investing. The difference between speculation and investing is subtle but important. A true investor studies a company, understands its fundamentals, and makes a decision based on facts and research. A speculator, by contrast, is essentially gambling that a price will move in a certain direction without doing proper due diligence. Islam discourages maisir because it treats your money like a lottery ticket. You are hoping for a windfall rather than building wealth through discipline and strategy. Beyond the spiritual issue, maisir is also financially dangerous. Excessive speculation leads to dramatic losses, financial ruin, and broken families. In Islamic finance, you are encouraged to take a thoughtful, research-based approach to investing. You should have a long-term perspective and a clear strategy. You should invest based on the fundamentals of the company, not on rumors or price movements. Pursuing ethical business practices. Another key principle of Islamic finance is that your money should only support ethical, beneficial businesses. Certain industries are considered haram, meaning forbidden. These include alcohol, gambling, weapons manufacturing, pornography, and other industries that are seen as harmful or immoral. This principle extends beyond just avoiding bad businesses. It encourages investment in companies that actively do good in the world. As an investor, you can put your money behind companies that treat their employees fairly, that protect the environment, that contribute to society, and that operate with integrity. Many investors, both Muslim and non-Muslim, are discovering that ethical investing is good for both conscience and wallet. Companies with strong ethical practices tend to be more stable, more profitable, and more resilient over time. What makes an investment halal? Now that you understand the principles, let us talk about what actually makes an investment halal. Essentially, a halal investment is one that complies with all the principles we just discussed. It's an investment in a company or asset that meets the Islamic finance standards. A halal investment is typically in a company where the primary business is legitimate and ethical. The company does not earn significant revenue from interest, gambling, alcohol, weapons. You now understand the principles, you know the types of investments available, and you understand how halal screening works. It is time to talk about how to actually get started. Here is a practical roadmap for your halal investing journey. Define your financial goals and time horizon. Before you invest a single dollar, take time to define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement? Are you building wealth for your family? Are you trying to generate income? Are you investing for growth over the long term? Your goals will shape your investment strategy. If you are saving for retirement 20 years from now, you can afford to take more risk and invest more heavily in growth-oriented stocks. If you need income in the near term, you might want to focus more on sukuk and dividend-paying stocks. Your time horizon also matters tremendously. Investing is much more. Conclusion. You have now learned the complete fundamentals of halal investing. You understand the Islamic principles that guide ethical finance. You know the types of halal investments available. You understand how halal screening works. You have a roadmap for getting started. Most importantly, you know that building wealth and living according to your values are not just compatible, they can actually enhance each other. Halal investing encourages disciplined, long-term thinking. It focuses on real companies and real assets. It avoids the excess and risk that have caused so many financial crises. The